In order to get your bonus, you need to register in Counos Promotion page. To do so, you will need your wallet address, your phone number, and your country of residence. Then you will require to create an account in Counos SSO. To do so, put in your email, your first name, your last name, and then choose a password. After that, you will need to confirm the password you have chosen and then click on Submit. A verification code will be sent to your email. Copy and paste the code in this page. Then click Verify. Here you need to grant access to your personal information, as you can see in this page. Click Yes, Allow. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Please put in that code in this page. Here you can see different social media of Counos platform. Put in your social media ID and then click on Follow. Now we get to the KYC verification process, which includes the following steps. Go to KYC Management Console. First, you will need to put in your phone number, which you already did, or you can put it in here by clicking on Change. The KYC has some steps. One of them requires you to upload some information and documents. Here you can see the documents that you will need to upload. Some of them are optional, some of them are required. For example, your facial identity, which is a picture of you, is required. Also, back of your national ID card is required. You will need to get a picture of them, a clear picture, and then upload them here. After you upload the documents, their status will change to in progress until an agent will verify and approve them. Now you need to put in your residential address and residential information. As you can see, residential information is required for level 1 KYC verification. You will also be required to put in your bank account information, as that is also required for KYC level 1 verification. After you upload it and put in all the information necessary, you can click on Send KYC Verification. As you can see, you are required to put in all the information necessary, including your residential address. After you uploaded all the documents and put in all the information necessary, click on Send KYC Verification Request. Please keep in mind that this process can take up to 48 hours. So as you can see, the status has been changed to in progress until an agent approves your KYC verification.